Showtime. How much saturated fat is safe to eat per day?
The NHS recommends that people between the ages of 19 years old and 64 years old consume 20 grams of saturated fat per day.
Well, that's great, because by eating this cheese, I already consumed 24.3 grams of saturated fat already, and I'm gonna have more of this later. So I guess for the sake of this video, we're not sticking to the guidelines, but it's only for 3 days. Most of the cheeses are very high in saturated fat, so to keep it low, I will have some fat-free cottage cheese as much as I can to keep it a little bit healthier. Here's my 50% reduced fat cheese as a snack. I was looking forward to this. Let's have it. Hi Sam, my friend, what do you think of eating cheese, only cheese for the next 3 days?
I will say it's not really healthy. You need balance in your diet. You're literally gonna eat cheese for 3 days?
Yeah.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Fucking mad, man.
After gym, I decided to meet up with my friend at Burger King, but there's only one thing I can eat. Can I only get cheese on its own?
Yeah.
Like we are like mozzarella cheese sticks, or
We have chili cheese bites.
there's nothing on them, it's just cheese.
So is this chili cheese bites?
They are coated with something.
You just want cheese? Yeah.
Okay. You don't have like mozzarella cheese, anything
We
like
have sliced cheese.
that. I could have that.
How much you want? It's expensive.
How much is that?
50p per slice.
Okay, I get 2 slices of it.
Can you get your chili cheese wrapped up? I just want cheese wrapped up in a box.
His
2
face.
slices of cheese in a box.
Yes. Yeah, only thought, yeah.
Cheese.
Just cheese. That's a strange order.
No, not regular fries. You need regular fries, not regular drink. Oh, no, I think my brain's fine up earlier. It made my brain go a bit, woo!
I'm having my 2 slices of cheese, each 40 calories, and she's having 2 burgers and fries. That's great. It is 7:30 and we are at Burger King, enjoying my cheesy day. So far so good. I lifted the heaviest weights I usually lift anyway, but it's day 1. Isn't anything special. It's always day 2 and day 3, but we'll see what's gonna happen in the following days. Found my bodybuilder buddy and he's recommending this cheese, but he said he bought all of them from Sainsbury, for God's sake. Okay, we'll have a look for the
Yeah,
alternatives.
you can record the red one. There is like it's more in fat, but
Okay, cool.
it's basically the same. It's
Have a
high
look.
protein.
Yeah, thank you very much. See you later. So we got some cheese. We got all of the options: cottage cheese, mozzarella, some cooking camembert because I like my cheese hot as well. Goat's camembert, some other stuff, halloumi. We'll see. So I think that should be enough for now. That's the shopping for the cheese. Cheese. Here at Sainsbury's, we got 10 different types of cheese. I think it's enough for today. It's enough for 3 days. It's enough for a week, actually. We'll see what's gonna happen. 21.40 for the whole cheese collection. As a cheese lover, I already had some cheese in my fridge, so I added them to the collection, and this is pretty much what I had for the 3 days. I've never had mozzarella like this before. Nice. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. Next, let's try this. Oh, it's circle. It's interesting. Never had this one before. Creamy. Smells like garlic and herbs. Definitely. It's like opening a cupcake, that is. I hope it tastes like a cupcake. It's quite nice. I love this as well. Don't ever put knife in your mouth. I'm just being lazy. I love it. I love it. That one is Sainsbury's smooth and creamy strength 2 Austrian smoky cheese. Austrian. Let's cut it open. Ooh, it's creamy. I like it creamy. Looks like a sausage. Oh. I would say that's a fail. It doesn't feel like cheese. It is smoky. This is like a cheese pretending to be a sausage. It's like wannabe sausage cheese. What you do with this? Can you spread it with a knife? No. The consistency is quite weird. It's like, don't know what that is. You tell me. It's like a sausage. A fake sausage. This is the end of day 1. I enjoyed it so much. I'm gonna put my MyFitnessPal stats, the macros over here. I believe it is around 2,500 calories with 72% fat, but it's all good. Good morning! Guess what I'm having for breakfast today? Some bacon camembert, but I'm not gonna have the onion because it's not cheese. Cooking instructions. 20 minutes. This one is amazing. Smells good. It's runny, creamy, a little bit salty, but it's on my top of my list. One thing for sure, I'm not feeling as hungry as normal. I'm gonna have my Somerset brie. I actually prefer Somerset brie to French brie. It's a little bit softer. It's very nice. After asking for string cheese yesterday at Burger King, I was craving string cheese today, so I came to Tesco to get some on my bike. I was supposed to have other cheeses today, but it's 10:10 at night at the moment, and I wasn't hungry all day. I just had 2 blocks of cheese that you've seen, so it's time to fuel up before the gym workout. Will be late evening back session. Alright, not bad. And now it's time to do some weights. I actually tried to do some strength exercises like deadlift and clean and press. Starting with deadlifts, up the weight quickly to reach to the top. I think the maximum I've done was 230 kilograms. Then followed by bend over rows to get my body even more ready for clean and press. I didn't notice any strength change, although it was late night. I was able to lift as heavy as I normally would. After clean and press, I finished off with bodyweight pull-ups. The whole session lasted for an hour, and I only done 4 exercises. So it's not about how many exercises you do, it's about how effective you do them. You start light and go as heavy as you can. It's 12 o'clock at night and I'm still at the gym. I need to go home soon and eat more cheese because I don't want to wake up weak tomorrow. Gotta be strong. I think it is a good day. I haven't lost any strength from this diet so far. I'll see you tomorrow on day 3. Ciao. I came home and had my goat cheese. The goat cheese I had was slightly hard, so I had to put it in the microwave to soften up a little bit. And here's my macros for the day. Good morning, this is day 3. I already had some cheese for breakfast. I had this Somerset brie. Now I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna have for the rest of the day. Some cottage cheese. I will eat all of this, and half of the halloumi and half of the protein cheese. I think this one is gonna be the hardest. Next, I'm gonna try this, I believe, Polish cheese and let you know what I think. I'll be honest, I had better cheese. It's not horrible, it's doable, but not my favorite. Okay, my opinion on this Arla's protein cheese, it is okay, it's doable, it's edible, but it's not something I would have every day. It's not the real thing. It's not the real thing. It doesn't taste bad, but it doesn't taste good either. And you can see it's a bit rubbery cheese, and I tried having it as it is. It's just look at it. That's how it is. I'm gonna try it on the pan and see if it makes it any better. Now the real test comes with the Cypriot halloumi, because I am Cypriot and I know what it's supposed to taste like. It's actually made in Cyprus with Cypriot milk. I don't know what difference that's gonna make, but in the UK usually they're not the real thing. And also I washed it because I don't like mine too salty. They put too much salt in it. If I was in Cyprus, I would have the option of having this less salty from the shop, but here they do them salty because salt is preservative. I understand. Let's slice it up and put it in the pan. Well, that protein cheese transformed into something else, so I have to give it a little bit higher score when it's melted. Time to eat. One thing I noticed, I don't like that it is breaking apart almost. Let's do the taste test. It's nice cheese, very nice. Quite salty though, but it's good. It's 11 o'clock at night, I'm having a rest day. My FitnessPal macros are up here. If you like cheese, give me a like and a subscribe. Thank you, and I will see you next time. #CheeseLove. I don't know what to say. You're recording, by the way?
Yeah.
Okay. I want this one as well there. This goat cheese. That one. Can you get it?
I can't read.
Good. We can go now. I learned that you can't get cheese only at Burger King. It's not a thing. Chili cheesy bites. No, thank you. I'll pass on that. I'd rather get a Big Mac. Hold on, that's McDonald's.